Welcome to Occly. Let's learn how to pair your Blink with your phone. Make sure your Blink is powered on. Go to Settings on your phone and enable Bluetooth and scan for new devices. Your Occly Blink will be identifiable by the last 4 digits of your Blink serial number, located on the back of the device. Select it and make sure it is paired. Now, let's go back to the Occly app. Go to Device and hit Pair Device. Choose your Blink model. And just like that, it's connected. This is the home screen for the Occly app. In order to turn on the alarm, quickly double tap the Occly logo, just like you double click on a computer. In order to disarm it, please enter your PIN. If you have not yet created a PIN, the default PIN is 0000. Let's review some of the features on the home page. First, you can use the Blink as a flashlight, on low, high, or off. You can now record video using your Blink. Simply press record video and the file will be saved locally to your photo gallery. On your Blink, you can also push the alarm button once to start recording video. The side lights will flash every 10 seconds so you know it is recording. Hit stop record to save it. This feature is currently only available on Android and will be coming to Apple devices at a later date. You can switch from active mode, where you carry your Blink around each day, to a feature called Home Watch. Home Watch is Blink's built-in motion and sound detection feature to protect against home intrusion. Place your Blink in an appropriate location, like in front of a door or window in your home or hotel room. Enter your current address. Your GPS signal could be inaccurate based on what type of structure you are located in, so we use addresses in order to be extra accurate. When the Blink detects unwanted movement or sound, the alarm will be triggered. Enter your PIN to disarm it. Now let's check out the crime map. This is where you will see an aggregate of crime in your area. The crime index on the upper left-hand corner is out of 100. In this case, it is 43.4. Each blue symbol has different images to distinguish between different types of crimes. You can add a crime that you see in person by clicking this button on the bottom and choosing which crime fits best. All in an effort to keep your area safer. Go back to Device. This is where you can set up reminders in order to remember to take your Blink with you. You can adjust it to any time and change whether or not to keep the reminder active. Under Account, you can review your account information via the online portal. You can also add or edit your Home Watch addresses and emergency contacts. Under Alarms and Images, you can request images during a certain set time from your Blink. Blink stores up to 5 days worth of images at any given time. To view the images requested, you can view your alarms via the online portal. Refer a Friend is another one of our reward programs. Be sure to share your coupon code. Let's look at Settings. Ambient light is another way to control the lights on your Blink. Crowd Help will notify you if another user in the area triggers an alarm. Impact Sensor will set the alarm for you when you experience a sudden impact. Blink Alerts enables audio and visual alerts for Occly App notifications. Belt Clip Alarm triggers an alarm when the Occly Blink belt clip is removed. Home Watch Sound Level adjusts the sound needed to trigger the alarm for our Home Watch feature. Social Media asks you to make a post about Occly. The alarm upon connection drop setting starts the alarm if you lose connection with your Blink. Silent alarm is a discrete mode that sends out an alarm without lights or sound. Video alarm enables video recording using the top camera on your Blink when an alarm is activated. Sending still images, which are collected from all 4 cameras, may be the preferred method in a comprised cellular environment. Tapping Help and Manual will show you various items, like our terms of use, our user manual, and frequently asked questions.